Hi, my name is David Hajoglu, and this is my recipe for the Easy Peasy 6-ingredient cooking challenge, turkey and potatoes for 4. 2 bone-in skin-on turkey thighs, 4 baking potatoes, 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon dry dill. You can also use fresh, salt and pepper. These are technically exempt, but I'm going to initially add them to the challenge. Wash, peel, and slice the potatoes, then let them soak in water just enough to cover them. Soak for at least 20 minutes, preferably an hour. We're going to use the starch as a cheater ingredient. Next, heat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. Salt and pepper the thighs on an oven-safe skillet or a baking sheet. Wash up, then put them in the oven. Cook the turkey to an internal temp of 165 Fahrenheit, 74 Celsius. It should take about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. Carefully remove the potatoes and place directly into a steamer, leaving behind the soaking water. I add a bit of salt to the potatoes at this point as they need quite a bit of seasoning. Steam for 25 minutes or until a knife pushes through with no resistance. Let the excess starch settle to the bottom of the potato water. After about 10 minutes, carefully decant the water and save the potato starch. Remove the turkey when it's at temperature. Cover with foil. Collect the drippings in a small dish, deglazing if necessary. We want about half a cup or 1.25 deciliters of liquid. Let it stand a few minutes to let the fat rise. In the meantime, chop up the garlic and have the dill ready. Reserve about a tablespoon of turkey fat. Add the reserved fat to a skillet or saucepan over medium heat. Once the excess liquid starts to boil, add the garlic. Cook for 30 seconds to a minute. Add the dill and remaining drippings. Once this starts to boil, add the potato starch, stirring until the glaze thickens. Let it reduce just a bit if necessary. Add the potatoes to a mixing bowl, add the glaze, and mix. Carve up the turkey and let's plate it. If we take the salt and pepper exemption, I can add buttered broccoli for a healthier option, as well as using the butter in the glaze. Turkey and potatoes in 6 ingredients. Thanks for watching.